This is the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro, one of the most extreme and feature-packed smartphones the brand has ever released. We're talking about a device that combines dual displays, a massive 25,500 mAh battery, powerful cameras with night vision, and the Dimensity 7300X processor with AI capabilities. It's basically a digital war tank built for those who truly need durability, autonomy, and extra functionality in daily life or outdoor adventures. But is it worth the investment? Let's dive into the specs and highlights of this model. As always, I've left the purchase link with a special discount in the description and in the pinned comment. Right off the bat, you can't ignore the size and weight. The Armor 33 Pro weighs about 776 grams and is nearly 34 millimeters thick. Yes, it's heavy, but that ruggedness is necessary to house such a huge battery while keeping its IP68, IP69K, and military-grade certifications, ensuring resistance to drops, dust, water, and extreme conditions. The finish comes in phantom black with a professional, no-nonsense look, and the 3.4-inch rear display adds not only a touch of style but also extra functionality. The Armor 33 Pro sets itself apart with bold features. First, the rear display, which lets you check notifications, use it as a camera viewfinder, and customize intelligent modes. Another highlight is the 118 decibel loudspeaker, one of the most powerful in its class, perfect for outdoor use or even as an audible signal. And to top it off, it comes with the Infinite Halo 2.0 lighting system, creating dynamic light effects for notifications and charging, giving a modern touch to the rugged style. Up front, you get a 6.95-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 700 nits. It's large, smooth, and well protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. On the back, the 3.4-inch IPS panel also features Gorilla Glass 5, with brightness up to 600 nits, great for quick checks. This dual display setup makes the Armor 33 Pro one of the rare rugged phones offering such a versatile experience. At its core, the Armor 33 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300X, a 4nm chip that strikes an excellent balance between efficiency and power. It's paired with the Mali G615MC2 GPU and a dedicated NPU, MediaTek 655, to boost AI-driven tasks. You also get 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, expandable virtually up to 32GB, plus 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, with microSD support up to 2TB. In other words, there's no shortage of speed or space, whether for demanding apps or heavy multitasking. The Armor 33 Pro ships with Android 14 and comes loaded with AI-powered features. These include intelligent scene detection for the cameras, the Night Elf 3.0 algorithm for night vision, real-time image optimization, AI video modes, and even integration with Google's Gemini Assistant. AI also powers the dual-screen experience, making transitions and content display more seamless. The camera system is another major strength of the Armor 33 Pro. On the back, you get 3 sensors: 50-megapixel main camera with OmniVision sensor, f1.95 aperture, and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. 64-megapixel night vision camera, enhanced with the Night Elf 3.0 algorithm for clear shots in total darkness. 50-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens, Samsung JN1, with a 117-degree field of view. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera delivers sharp selfies and solid video calls. Modes include night vision, film, pro, HDR, and EIS anti-blur. Altogether, it's a very complete package, especially for those who need versatile shooting options in tough conditions. In terms of battery, here's the showstopper, a 25,500 mAh battery. It's one of the largest ever put inside a smartphone. This means days and days of runtime depending on how you use it. Fast charging clocks in at 66 watts, which isn't the fastest out there, but is more than decent for such a massive power cell. Plus, the Armor 33 Pro doubles as a power bank, letting you charge other devices when needed. For connectivity, it checks all the boxes: dual 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, NFC, and full GPS support with GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo. A neat extra is the infrared remote control, allowing you to use the phone as a remote for TVs and other electronics. And of course, you'll find all the essential sensors: fingerprint reader, gyroscope, compass, and more. The Ulefone Armor 33 Pro is already available in Phantom Black through the brand's official store and platforms like AliExpress. The suggested price hovers around $400, which is a solid deal considering everything it packs. Links are in the description and pinned comment if you want to grab one. So, what's the verdict on the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro? It's an absolute giant in the rugged phone market, with standout features like the dual-screen setup, the 64-megapixel night vision camera, and the massive 25,500 mAh battery. The powerful loudspeaker and lighting effects also add extra personality. On the downside, it's very heavy, which may bother some users, and even with 66-watt charging, it takes time to fully refill such a huge battery. But if you're looking for an ultra-rugged phone with complete features and multi-day autonomy, the Armor 33 Pro is one of the most capable options you can get in 2025. So, what do you think of the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro? Does this monster fit your needs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more rugged phone reviews, and ring the bell so you won't miss any updates. Promotional purchase links are in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.